starts first with the CIP cleaning in place. It's a system that makes the cleanability available. But what often people forget is that the CIP itself is also cleaning your equipment. It's direct food contact. So also all the prerequisites you have in hygienic design are valid for CIP. All your system needs to be cleanable, drainable. Cleaning of the CIP is often forgotten. So it is really important. In the past there was no standard. There are many, many different CIP stations. What we try to do with the CIP guideline is create standard references, basic principles, what is really needed to run, to design, to operate the CIP. Things that are often forgotten is the management of the CIP. Often CIP is operated by the operator, which seems logic, but he has too much liberty. He can change timers, he can click on his mouse and do things, he can stop the CIP without proper management. So that is pretty great. The CIP needs to be traceable and it needs to be interlocked. So every change an operator does needs to be well protected and well traceable. Another aspect of the CIP management often forgotten is the CIP of the CIP. As I mentioned in the first question, all your CIP must also be cleanable and must be cleaned and inspected from time to time. In CIP we clean with big volumes of water. We talk about 30 cubic meters of water, 50 cubic meters of water at big breweries, big dairies. And it all, at the end, it goes somewhere, it goes to a drain. So have you ever seen 30,000 liters an hour going into a drain? If the drain is too small, he cannot cope with it and the water flows everywhere. We want to contain the water. We must be able to see what happens. So you need an airlock, you need an air slot that you could see a gap where you can see where the water is going. But you must contain it, doesn't flow through the whole factory.